Hi there! Today we're going to talk about long-tail keywords. We will explain what they are, why they're important, and how you can use them as part of your SEO strategy. Now let's take a step back to explain SEO or search engine optimization. SEO is like a matchmaking process between what people are searching for on the internet and the websites that provide the best answers to those searches. When someone types a query into a search engine like Google, the search engine scans through millions of web pages to find the ones that are most relevant and useful for that specific query. It then ranks these pages, showing the best matches at the top of the search results. Long-tail keywords come into play in this matchmaking process. They are longer, more specific phrases that people use when they're searching for something very particular. For example, instead of searching for shoes, someone might search for women's black running shoes size 8. These long-tail keywords are less competitive than more general ones, making it easier for websites to rank higher in search results when they target these long-tail keywords. And on top of that, because long-tail keywords are more specific, they often attract visitors who are closer to making a decision or a purchase, leading to better conversion rates for websites. And this is what we call attracting users with a higher intent to buy. Long-tail keywords are immensely valuable in SEO and digital marketing because they cater to the specific needs and queries of users, leading to higher relevance and conversion rates. Unlike broad, generic keywords, long-tail keywords are more descriptive and often mirror the way people naturally speak or type when they're searching for something very specific. This specificity not only reduces competition in search rankings, making it easier for smaller or niche websites to secure a top spot, but also aligns closely with the user intent. Users searching with long-tail keywords are typically further along in the buying cycle, or they're seeking detailed information, meaning they're more likely to engage, subscribe, or make a purchase upon landing on a relevant page. This precision targeting enhances the user experience by delivering more accurate and tailored content. It also significantly improves the return on investment of digital marketing campaigns by attracting more qualified, ready-to-convert leads. That's why incorporating long-tail keywords is a strategic approach for driving targeted traffic, improving search rankings, and increasing conversion rates. Long-tail keywords are also increasingly relevant to voice search, a trend that has grown with the rise of digital assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. When people use voice search, they tend to speak in natural, conversational language, often using longer and more specific phrases compared to the shorter queries they might type into a search engine. For instance, someone might say, "Where can I find a vegan Italian restaurant near me open now?" instead of typing vegan Italian restaurant. And this shift towards more natural, spoken queries makes long-tail keywords crucial for optimizing content for voice search. These keywords align well with the detailed, question-based, and localized searches that are very common in voice queries. By incorporating long-tail keywords that mimic natural speech patterns, businesses and content creators can more effectively capture the intent and context of voice searches. And this improves the chances of their content being picked up and ranked favorably by search engines for voice queries. Using long-tail keywords effectively into your content requires a strategic approach that balances SEO with natural, user-friendly writing. So here are some of the tactics that you can use to do that. The first tactic is to try to naturally include long-tail keywords. And the first way to do that is by understanding user intent. Before creating content, understand what your target audience is searching for and why. This understanding will help you create content that naturally uses long-tail keywords in a way that answers users' questions or solves their problems. The second way you can do that is by using long-tail keywords in context. Try to integrate long-tail keywords into your content in a way that feels natural and relevant. So, for example, if your target long-tail keyword is best organic dog food for puppies, you might create a detailed review or a guide discussing the nutritional needs of puppies and how certain organic dog foods meet those needs. The third way you can achieve that is through leveraging different content formats. Utilize different formats like blog posts, how-to guides, FAQs, and videos. These formats can naturally accommodate long-tail keywords, especially when they're topic-specific and detailed. The second tactic is to balance keyword density and content quality. And the first way you can achieve that is by avoiding keyword stuffing. Resist the urge to overuse long-tail keywords. Not only does this disrupt the readability of your content, but it can also negatively impact your SEO because search engines may view it as spammy. The second way you can achieve that balance is by focusing on readability and engagement. Write content that is engaging and easy to read. Use long-tail keywords where they make sense, but prioritize the flow and quality of the content. Remember that your primary goal is to provide value to your audience. And the third way you can achieve that balance is by using synonyms and variations. To avoid repetition, you can use synonyms and variations of your long-tail keyword. And this keeps your content fresh and engaging. It also helps you rank for similar search queries. The third tactic is to tailor content to answer specific user questions and needs. And you can do that by creating detailed and focused content. Tailor your content to deeply explore the topics related to your long-tail keywords. For example, if your keyword is waterproof hiking boots for women, you could create a comprehensive guide that covers different types of waterproof boots, benefits, usage tips, and popular brands. Another way you can do that is by answering questions directly. Identify common questions associated with your long-tail keywords and answer those questions directly in your content. Tools like People Also Ask on Google and forums like Quora can provide insights into what people want to know about that specific topic. And the third way you can achieve that is by using long-tail keywords in headings and subheadings. This not only helps in SEO, but also guides readers to the sections of your content that are most relevant to their specific interests or questions. By implementing these tactics, you can effectively use long-tail keywords into your content, and that will improve your SEO while maintaining high-quality, engaging, and user-focused content. And now we move to another important question: how to find relevant long-tail keywords. Finding relevant long-tail keywords for your business involves several steps and tools. The steps and tools will help you uncover the specific phrases and queries that potential customers are using in their search for products or services. Now here's a step-by-step guide to do that. Step number 1 is to understand your audience and their needs. Conduct audience research to understand the language, the concerns, and questions that your target market uses. And you should also analyze customer feedback, reviews, and frequently asked questions to identify common phrases and terms. Step number 2 is to analyze competitors. Look at your competitors' websites and content to see what kind of long-tail keywords they are ranking for. And you can use tools like SEMrush or Ubersuggest to conduct a competitive analysis. These tools will show you the keywords for which your competitors are ranking for. And that brings us to step number 3, which is to utilize keyword research tools. Employ SEO tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ubersuggest, or SEMrush to find keyword ideas based on seed keywords. Seed keywords are the basic keywords related to your business, and these tools will provide data on search volume, competition level, and related long-tail keywords that might not be immediately obvious to you. Step number 4 is to leverage Google search suggestions. Try to type a basic keyword into Google and observe the autocomplete suggestions for long-tail variations. Then, another thing you can do is to scroll down to the bottom of the search results page to find the section that says Searches Related To. This can offer additional long-tail keyword ideas. Step number 5 is to explore online forums and social media. Try to visit forums like Reddit or industry-specific forums to see what topics and specific questions people are discussing on these platforms. And try to monitor social media conversations and hashtags that are relevant to your industry. That will give you more insights into user language and queries. Step number 6 is to use long-tail keyword generation tools. Tools like Answer the Public can be particularly useful because they generate questions and phrases based on your seed keywords. And these tools can help you in understanding the variety of ways that people might phrase a query related to your products or services. Step number 7 is to analyze your own website search data. If your website has a search function, try to analyze the search queries used by your own visitors for potential long-tail keywords. And you can also check your website's analytics to see which queries are driving traffic to your site. Step number 8 is to consider local SEO. For businesses serving specific geographic areas, you can include location-based terms in your long-tail keyword research. For example, Digital Marketing Belfast or Content Marketing Agency in Belfast. These localized long-tail keywords can be incredibly effective for attracting a local audience. Step number 9 is to regularly update and refine your keyword list. SEO and keyword effectiveness are dynamic, and that's why you need to regularly review and update your keywords based on performance metrics and changing market trends. And saving the best for last, step number 10 is to use topic clusters. The concept of a topic cluster in SEO is an approach to content creation and organization that focuses on building a network of interlinked content around a central theme or a subject area. The central theme is called the core topic or the pillar content, and this is a comprehensive piece of content that broadly covers a key topic relevant to your business or industry. Think of it as the cornerstone that provides an overview of the subject. So, say you're a fitness trainer. A core topic might be a healthy living guide. The second step to creating a cluster is creating the supporting articles. And these are the more specific, detailed articles that focus on subtopics or questions related to the core topic. Each piece of cluster content links back to the core topic and to other related content. So for the Healthy Living Guide, a cluster content might include best foods for heart health, or 10-minute daily exercise, or even mental health benefits of regular exercise. These supporting articles are where you can incorporate long-tail keywords. Through these 10 steps, businesses can develop a list of relevant long-tail keywords that are not only highly targeted towards their specific audience, but also less competitive and more likely to drive quality traffic and conversions. Now, thank you very much for watching this video. We hope that you now have a better understanding of long-tail keywords. But if you have any questions about SEO, we're happy to help you. Just drop us a comment and we'll get back to you.